So most people solve this question like cancel this 2 by 2 is equal to 60 divided by 1, right? So now 60 divided by 1 is equal to also 60. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P, E, M, D, A, S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, and second priority is exponents. Third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In this question we have one division and one multiplication, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 60. Now according to KCF rule, K for keep this 60 as it is same, C for change this sign from division to multiplication, and F for flip this second fraction 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 1. Right, now 2 upon 1 is equal to 1. So, sorry, 2. So we can remove this 1 times 2, right? Now, here we have multiplication and here we have multiplication, and both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So 60 multiplied 2 is equal to 120 multiplied 2. Now 120 multiplied 2 is equal to 240. Right? So the correct answer is 240. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.